How many spins can you do? That's right, jump up on the ground right now and see how many spins you can do before you touch the ground again. Why am I asking this? Because by the end of this video, you are going to be able to do so many more spins. Follow along. By the end of this video, you will be able to crush the 720 challenge. The 720 challenge, 2 spins on the ground with 1 jump. 1 jump. Why is this important? This is important because, man, if you're trying to do tricks like the cork, like B twist, like any kick, like the 540 kick, if you're trying to do break dance, breaking, right? Being able to not only spin, but spin fast and being able to control that fast spin will benefit you in so many ways. In only 5 minutes, I'm gonna show you how to spin way faster. But you gotta focus. First problem, most people underestimate the use of the upper body when it comes to any flips or spins or spinning flips or whatever. And that's what we're gonna really work on with this video. And it's just gonna, it's gonna play over so much more when it comes to you're gonna get so many more spins. First thing, it's like simple physics, all right? If I jump out and I spin with my arms like this, right? There's my upper body, my arms, and I have them out, I'm gonna spin slow. If I start to bring them in, I'm gonna go faster and faster. You know what I'm saying? Because you're spinning around that axis, going through the middle. So that's the first thing you need to realize. And you can feel this. I want you to all to feel this right now just by jumping up and doing some spins and exaggerating. So this first minute, we're gonna exaggerate and then we're gonna unexaggerate, okay? So jump up and do a spin with your arms out like this, okay? You can do the twist with the upper body like that and then spin. Now I want you to bring your arms in. Oh, I went a little faster. Probably already figured that one out. You know, you already knew that. You're like, dude, it gets better. You start with your arms out, you bring them in, you spin faster, great. But how do you really spin faster? In order to understand that for this next minute, what we're going to do is we're going to do a spin without jumping off the ground, without leaving the ground with a jump, because we need to calibrate our spin. Wind up with the body. We can exaggerate like before. Okay, so you can wind up whichever way you decide to spin. If you decide to spin this way, okay. If you decide to spin this way, okay. So I want you to wind up the opposite way. So because I'm spinning towards my left, I am winding up towards my right. Next step, make sure you're on the ground where, you know, it's loose enough, where you can get some spinning, where you can pivot, right? So you can pivot on this foot, all right, on your heel or your toe. I like the heel because if you do the toe, it doesn't matter. You can do the toe, you can do the heel, you can do whatever you want. So I'm gonna do the heel. Calibrate the spin, spin into the heel, feel that tightness. So down, wind up, spin. Oh, look at before, you might have been spinning like this. You know, okay. But watch this calibration. I'm unwinding as I'm bringing my arms in simultaneously, okay? I don't bring my arms in right away. I don't wait too long. It all works out perfectly right. I'm gonna allow that force from my upper body turning, that feeling, that decrease of the arms, bringing the arms closer to the center. I'm gonna allow that to pull my lower body around into the spin. You'll feel it. You'll feel the force. That's what you need to start really feeling, is that force, okay? So down. Whoa, that was fast. Ready? Oh. Once you feel it, you'll know. Make those micro adjustments in your body, in the timing of your arms, bringing them in your core tightness. When you loosen, tighten it up to get that spin snappy and fast. What should it feel like? It should feel like it wants to pull glasses off your face, okay? See that? Next portion of this, we're gonna add back in the jump and then calibrate everything. And man, oh man, adding back in the jump. Maybe before, I don't know how bad it was. It could have been really bad, but maybe before you were jumping right in the middle here, when you were in the middle, like jumping and then spinning like that, or jumping with your arms like this. I don't know how you're doing it, but what you're gonna do now is you are going to maximize. You're gonna use the wind up. You're gonna use your arms out, okay? That force out. You're gonna bring them in, but you're not gonna jump in the middle. You're not gonna jump prematurely. You're gonna wait a little bit right till you're here, like a spring. Look at, I have my upper body going, jumping off. Look at, you got motion, you got movement in these legs, you got joints, you got things that can move a little bit. You can rotate a little bit this way. Not everything is like this, you know what I'm saying? So use it. Now I'm not saying like go like that or anything, or like something weird. No, just use a little bit of that lateral rotation that we all neglect. So do a few of these with me. Feel it. Feel it. Wind up and jump. Wind up and jump. When you're ready, you can test out a few. Oh yeah, whoa. Oh yeah. Final thing, the snap back with the lower body. So right after I jump up, I snap my lower body in. Maybe the wrong choice of words. I bring my lower body in, I whip it in to help give me more spin. All of that together, you're gonna go from this to this. Everything I shared with you is, you know, the technique, but it's all about the micro adjustments you make along the way. That's why each one of these steps is important. It's important to break it down. Feel these steps out because you can feel the forces working. You can feel the timing working out right. Those micro adjustments working in your body to give you the maximum spin force and spin power and number of spins. So work on those steps, 5 minutes or less, you're spinning more. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments how many spins you did before this video and how many spins you're doing after this video. With one jump. Practice safely, don't get too dizzy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming out. Peace. Y'all have a good one. I will see you all in the next video.